Our Networking and Cybersecurity program is designed to give students a broad array of knowledge to start a career in the technology field. Prospective students can expect to gain knowledge on a variety of platforms such as Microsoft 365, Service Desk, AI, cloud, server administration, PC repair, and networking. They'll have a chance to touch hardware such as servers, routers, switches, and become familiar with how to use those in the real world. The hands-on experience students receive include troubleshooting printers, taking apart a PC and putting it back together, making Ethernet cables, programming managed routers and switches, and finally working in a server rack, adding and installing components. Certifications for students include the CompTIA A+, CompTIA Network Plus, and CompTIA Security Plus. Taken together, CompTIA gives you a stackable certification of the CompTIA IT Operations Specialist and the CompTIA Secure Infrastructure Specialist certification. In the classroom, students mostly use Microsoft Windows computers, though they will gain experience using Mac, Linux, and tablets. Our instructors are knowledgeable, personable, and eager to help the students succeed. In the lab, instructors give examples for how to accomplish tasks to industry standards. They provide feedback to the students so they too can accomplish tasks to those industry standards. The ideal student is someone who has an interest in technology and problem solving, someone who wants to know how a computer works and what's inside that computer. Having an analytical mindset will make a great troubleshooter. When you take our classes, you receive credits which can be transferred to Snow College, Utah Valley University, or Utah State University for credits towards a degree at those institutions. Our students obtain a broad knowledge of technology which qualifies them for a large number of jobs in the industry. The types of jobs our students qualify for are application support, IT help desk, network technician, field installer. Our recent graduates have all obtained jobs with those job titles. Not all companies have the same needs, but having students who have all sorts of knowledge makes them qualified for all sorts of jobs and makes them better candidates than others who may be applying for those jobs.